Hello everyone, good evening. Look at my coleus, how they have been grown. They have been grown very successfully. Let me take out a plant and show you the root balls. I feel it have grown very successful. Complete roots they have been formed. Beautiful colors. Beautiful coleus. I don't know why I have fallen in love with this beautiful ladies and some grasses growing over there. It's okay, fine. That is on rice grass. I don't mind it if it grows also. I can remove it later while I was repotting. And some some brinjals over here and cabbage was growing good, and I have to transfer them to a larger grow bags. I'll do that. And this is my garden overlook of it. Have a good look of my garden. I just bought many new varieties of seasonals. You can see them, right? Yes. You can see. You can see my seasonals, how they have been grown, and mainly the chrysanthemums. You can see the chrysanthemums. Hi, Suresh. Look at these beautiful ladies. Let me get them closer look to you. These are all tomato seedlings which I have kept and want to show you. Artificial caly over here. I need to get them right over there. And this is how. Hello, hi. Very good evening to everyone. So these are all my cabbage and brinjals over here. So sorry. This is the look of my garden. Have a closer look of chrysanthemums, pom pom variety. Oh, thank you. This is hi Chano. షన్ను నువ్వు చెప్పినట్టే పెట్టాను చూసావా ఎంత బాగా కనిపిస్తున్నాయో షన్ను have suggested me to keep my garden in this way, so I just have arranged it in this manner. Just look at them, how beautifully they are bloomed. If you want me to get closer, I can. Hi Raja. Good evening Raja, how are you? And still you are in a car roaming outside here and there. Oh. Raja, you always says hard work pays na. This is what I did hard work. Hi Pratibha dear. Oh, it's your credit. That's what I'm saying, Chanu. It's all your credit. Now the sorry. The plantation was my idea, and the arrangement was Shennu's idea. Thank you, Shennu Master, for this lovely idea, which I'm going to have it and change it within few days of time with a new idea of yours. So that is what, and mainly I wanted to show you few arrangement. That is my own arrangement. Shennu, ఇది Shennu, wanna show you something, which is what will say? It goes to my credit. I'll show you. Give me a second. I wanna show you few dahlias over here. Four. These are my dahlias. This is my dahlia. Wait, let me show you the babies of beautiful dahlias. Sorry, yaar, I just got some problem with my phone. So this is dahlia. Bright yellow and from here I will take you to somewhere. Shanu, have a look at here. Raja, I want you to see this. Raja, I guess you're seeing my life. Hope you'll definitely see my coleus. I propagated Raja. Just look at my coleus babies. I'm sorry for middle interruptions. Can you able to see my coleus? Colorful coleus. షన్ను నేనే పెట్టుకున్నా కష్టపడి సీరియస్లీ ఇందాక నుంచి కష్టపడి పెట్టుకున్నా చూడు నీ క్రెడిట్ నీకు ఇచ్చేసా ఇది నా క్రెడిట్ షన్ను హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్ Oriental, it smells awesome. Just I was just feeling like heaven. It was just awesome. Look at my coleus. I don't know why I been that much mad of this coleus, but I feel love with all these babies. Look at it, Scala. This one and this another variety, and these are all. Whenever I go to a nursery, I'll just definitely pick coleus plants along with me. Whatever I buy or not, that doesn't matter to me. But coleus is to be there, must and should. While I was returning back. Sorry for middle interruption. So this is all about my coleus and my garden, which I am propagating and collecting of coleus. I hope you all loved it, and I'll just come back soon with more dahlias and more lovable plants. Have a great day, guys. Take care.